The AC Greyhound, produced between 1959 and 1963 by AC Cars of Thames Ditton, Surrey, England, was a 2+ Grand Tour derived from the AC Ace and Iseca models. Only 83 units were built during its production run. Design and construction. The Greyhound featured a 2-door aluminum body mounted on a ladder frame chassis. It measured 175 inches in length, 65.5 inches in width, and 53 inches in height. With a 100-inch wheelbase, the vehicle's curb weight was approximately 2,240 pounds, 1,020 kilograms. Suspension and braking. Unlike its predecessors, the Greyhound was equipped with independent coil spring suspension on both the front and rear. With the rear utilizing semi-trailing arms, the braking system consisted of 11.75-inch front disc brakes and 11-inch rear drum brakes. Engine options. The Greyhound was offered with a variety of straight-six engines over its production period. AC's own 1991 CCHC engine, initially producing 75 bhp at 4,500 revolutions per minute. Later versions were tuned to deliver up to 100 bhp. Bristol 1971 CCD Series OHV engine, generating 125 bhp at 5,750 revolutions per minute. Bristol 2216 cc engine, producing 105 bhp at 4,700 revolutions per minute. Ford Zephyr 2553 cc Rudspeed-tuned engine, capable of delivering up to 170 bhp at 5,500 revolutions per minute, depending on the level of tuning. Performance. A Greyhound powered by the 2.0-liter Bristol engine, equipped with an overdrive, achieved a top speed of 110 miles per hour and could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 11.4 seconds. Fuel consumption was recorded at 21.8 miles per imperial gallon. The vehicle's price at the time was £3,185, including taxes. Market reception. Despite its advanced engineering and performance capabilities, the Greyhound struggled in the market, primarily due to its high price and competition from established luxury brands. Consequently, production ceased in 1963 after only 83 units were built. Today, the AC Greyhound is considered a rare and classic example of British automotive design from the early 1960s.